From Cape Canaveral Air Force Station in Florida, you are watching live coverage of the launch of the Orbital ATK Commercial Resupply Services Mission, or CRS-4, to the International Space Station. This is Atlas Launch Control. We are at T-minus 1 hour, 10 minutes, and counting. Liftoff is targeted for the opening of a 30-minute launch window at 5:55 and 45 seconds p.m. Eastern Standard Time. There are 5 discrete instantaneous launch opportunities, one at the very opening of the window, and then 4 others evenly spaced at 7.5-minute increments within that 30-minute launch window, should they be needed. At the time of launch today, the space station will be about 252 miles above Earth over the northern Atlantic Ocean west of Ireland. And shortly after launch, the Atlas V will steer to an inclination of 51.6 degrees to the Earth's equator, matching the orbit of the space station. When the Centaur upper stage is separated, Cygnus will be in its initial orbit of 124.1 nautical miles perigee by 124.2 nautical miles apogee. The story of the day here today in the Space Coast in Florida has been the weather. The weather forecast at this time is calling for a 70% probability of violating launch constraints for the thick cloud layer rules, cumulus cloud rule, and disturbed weather. An earlier weather forecast by 45th Weather Squadron forecaster Clay Flynn prompted a discussion during the T-minus 2-minute hold that extended the hold for an additional 15 minutes, while managers from United Launch Alliance and Orbital ATK and NASA determined whether they wanted to give a go to cryogenic tanking today. They ultimately gave a go, but again, the hold extended an additional 15 minutes. That 15 minutes will be traded out for the planned 30-minute hold at T-minus 4 minutes. So when we get to T-minus 4 minutes, we will have a 15-minute hold. Again, still planning to launch today at the opening of the launch window at 5:55 and 45 seconds p.m. Eastern Time.